Hey everyone, today I will show you how to cancel LA Fitness membership. Follow this instruction to cancel your LA Fitness membership. First of all, log into your LA Fitness account. After that, click on Member Tools in the top toolbar and then select My LA Fitness from the drop down. After that, enter your account details. Then click cancellation form and fill your details. And finally, print the form and send it to LA Fitness. To cancel online, go to this website and contract their email and ask them to cancel your account. And that's it. Thanks for watching.